Understanding the phrase, stand pat. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into an interesting English phrase, stand pat. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also know how to use it confidently in conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, stand pat, is believed to have originated from card games, specifically poker. In poker, if a player believes they have a strong hand, they might choose not to take any more cards. This action, of sticking with the hand they have, can be referred to as standing pat. Over time, this term found its way into everyday language. When someone says they're going to stand pat, they're essentially saying they're going to stick with what they have. In a broader sense, it means to resist change, to be content with the current situation, or to refuse to take further action. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate the meaning. 1. In a business context, despite the new market trends, our company has decided to stand pat with our current strategy. 2. In a personal decision, I've had offers from other companies, but I've decided to stand pat in my current job. Though stand pat is a casual phrase, it's versatile and can be used in both informal and formal contexts. However, always ensure your audience understands idiomatic expressions before using them. In situations where clarity is paramount, consider using a more straightforward phrase like remain unchanged or stay the same. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, stand pat. Now, not only do you know its origin and meaning, but you can also use it appropriately in various contexts. Remember, English is full of intriguing idioms and phrases, and understanding them can add depth and color to your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!